Hello friends, today we are going to study about splitting the middle term of big numbers. When generally small numbers are there, student can solve it easily, but they get confused when the numbers are very big. It is also very simple, just we have to follow a few rules carefully. Look here. Whenever this type of numbers are there, first we have to multiply the coefficient of the first number and the last number. Means here it is 5 and 30, or you can directly find out the factor of these two and mix them. We know factor of 5 is 5 only, so 5 and 38, so factor of 38 is 2 into 19, so means 2 and 19. So these are the factors. Now we have to arrange these factors in such a way that your answer will become minus 9. Means your multiplication should be, this is positive and this is negative, so minus, and the multiplication of this will be 190. So we have to arrange few numbers in such a way that it multiplication become minus 190 and addition becomes minus 9. Come on, what we have to do now? Here the numbers are there, 19 2, so 5 2s are 10 and 19, so 19 and 10. Can we? Yes, here we can see that 19 minus 10 means minus 19 plus 10 gives you minus 9. So directly we can solve that. And so minus 19 plus 10 will be the factors of this, and we can see here minus 19 plus 10 will give you minus 9. So these are the factors directly. Now we are going to solve it. Look here, 5x square minus 9x minus 38. Now 5x square, splitting the middle term, we have to split this. It will become minus 19x plus 10x minus 38. Now common from this two, common, nothing, only x is common, so 5x minus 19. Here also 2 will be common, so 2 common, remaining 5x minus 19. So again 5x minus 19 common, and remaining will be x plus 2. So this is our answer. Now we are going to solve this. Look here carefully. Now here 12 and 49. So factors of 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3, 49. So easily we can say 7 and 7. And both are positive. So the multiplication means multiplication of this two will be this one, this will come, and addition of this factors will become minus 56. Now I have to multiply also. 7 into 7 49, and 49 into 12, 12 into 9 108, carry 10, 12 4s are 48, 48 plus 10 58. Now we have to arrange this so that we get this. 7 2s are 14 and 14 2s are 28, 28 and 21 will not give you this, so we can arrange like this. 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42 plus 14 56. Yes, so 42 minus 42 and minus 14 will give you 56. Look here, from these factors only we come to know this. And why I had taken minus and minus, because minus 56 I want, but multiplication should be this, it will become positive. Look here, these two numbers are positive, so positive ones. I got the factors minus 42, sorry, and minus 14, sum will be minus 56. Now I'm solving it. Look here, 12x square minus 56x plus 49. Splitting the middle terms, so we will split it. It will become minus 42x minus 14x plus 49. Now common from this two, so 12 is there, 6 will be common, 6 and x, remaining will be 2x minus 7. Common from this two, minus 7. Generally students will make mistake here. They don't forget to take minus. If we are taking minus common, this plus sign will become minus. So 2x minus 7. Common from this 2x minus 7, and remaining will be 6x minus 7. So this way we can easily solve big numbers. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and it will encourage me to make more such videos for you. Thank you so much for watching my video.